Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by removing laces and insoles so water won't trap and degrade glue. Place them aside for separate washing. Next, use a soft brush to sweep away loose dirt and grit. This prevents abrasion during cleaning. Once done, mix 1 teaspoon of mild detergent into 250 milliliters of warm water and dab it onto obvious stains. This concentrates cleaning where it's needed and avoids soaking fragile mesh unnecessarily. You now deep clean methodically. Dip a soft brush or sponge into the detergent mix and work in small sections, using gentle circular motions to lift grime without tearing mesh. Make sure to rinse your tool frequently so you don't reapply dirt. Once a section looks clean, rinse it with cool water to remove suds. After rinsing all areas, press the shoes gently to expel excess water. Squeeze. Don't wring, because twisting can distort shape and damage glue bonds. You finish by air drying shoes at room temperature. Stuff them with paper towels to preserve shape and rotate every 1 to 2 hours so both sides dry evenly. Meanwhile, launder laces and insoles separately. If odors persist, swap insoles for new ones. If a stubborn stain or discoloration remains, repeat spot treatment or apply a short diluted vinegar soaked to the affected area, then rinse. This often lifts residues without harming mesh.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.